Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I am super excited because I just got a package in the mail from bookandbear.com. This is an organization that I've actually done a video for before, and if you want to see that, the link will be down below. But I'm super excited because they know how much I love sloths. And because I love sloths, Kimberly over at Book and Bear asked if I would review their new sloth kit. And I'm so excited to see this. Okay, so one thing that I let you know about bookandbear.com, they have so many amazing options. So if you are a corporation and say you want to do something nice for all of your employees who have children who've been at home, you can do a corporate deal with them and they will put together boxes and send them to all of your employees. If you want to do special holiday things, if you want to do like a grandmother thing, if you're like a grandparent, or maybe you are somebody who knows somebody who could really use a little, it doesn't have to be a kid, it could be a grown-up who really needs just a little boost of a little stuffed animal and a fun book. Book and Bear has you totally covered. It's a really, really neat program. And although it is a subscription sort of based thing, you can also just buy one-offs of things, which I think is new from when I originally did my first review. So this is a great thing that you can check out. I love their product and so excited to open up this box and see what's inside. So let's look, shall we? So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna do this really carefully. I love how it comes in this purple envelope. They have the greatest boxes. Wait till you see these boxes. All right, so once you've opened up your shipping envelope, this is what you get. You get a box that comes like this. And I love this green color and I love their little label on top. And as you can see, there's a little bit of tape on this side, a little bit of tape on this side. And then there is a tiny piece of tape right here on the bottom. And we're going to open it up. Okay. And this is what you find in your box. So you get a cute little card here, and then you can save $10 here. There's a little adventure pack. And it looks like there's a stuff. This is for helping to stuff. And there's a little heart that you get to put inside. And this is the sloth. Oh, there's a sloth math game and honey dipper. Okay, so this is the honey dipper for stuffing, and then there must be a sloth math game in there. We'll take a look at that a little later on. And as you can see, there's this scrunchy paper, which I love. Oh, look at this. It's Feed the Sloth. Let's see. Let's take this out and see what this is. Okay, I'm going to shut this for just a second. This is a game that has come, and it looks like it's a learning game. Oh, look, there's all these cards inside here. Oh, and it's a math game. It says, Feed the Sloth, 4 plus 45. Oh, man. You know, my math is not my best suit, but I am going to say 4 plus 45 is 49. So I get that right, and I get to put that inside, so I get to feed the sloth. Oh, how fun is that? Yum, 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 yum. Yum. Oh, I got to feed the sloth. That's fun. Oh, so we'll have to play a little bit more with this. This is fun. Oh, wait. Oh, no wonder it didn't fit in. So look at this. Okay, so these are the little numbers, and you would find the little numbers, so you would put those in like that. So this one says the number that comes before 10. Okay, and so then I would find the number 9, and then I would be able to put that in. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, well, I'm going to get on to the rest of this stuff now that I know how this game works. Very cute. Oh, there's the instructions, everybody. Well, it would help if I had turned it over and been able to read those directions, huh? But that just tells you about me. I always like to jump ahead. Oh, but that's fun. Okay, what a fun game. Okay, so let's see what's in my wrapped up package. Oh, this is what I'm so excited about. Look. Look at his arms! Oh my Oh my gosh, look at that little face. Oh my goodness, is he not the cutest little thing? Oh, and his little legs. Okay, we're gonna stuff him a little later on. Let's see what else. I'm so excited about all this stuff. Okay, there's the stuffing, and if you've watched my other video, you know I love this stuffing because when I cut across the bottom here, it poofs up. Right now you can see it's all like kind of vacuum packed, but I think that's so fun. Ooh, oh wow. Journey to the River Sea. This is a chapter book. Oh, a girl, a jungle, and a missing inheritance. Oh, I love to read novels, so this is going to be exciting. I, of course, will not be reading this to you, but I'm really, really excited to see that there's a chapter book. I love chapter books. Okay, and there's some of this fun stuff that I love for arts and crafts. And then let's pull out the book. I love how it's all wrapped up nicely and it's got its little sticker on there. And then we just pull this. Sparky. Oh, look at Sparky. Sparky by Jen Offel or Ophel. Jenny Ophel and Chris Applehans. Oh, wow. Oh, and this is the winner of the Charlotte Zolotow Award. Look at this book. Sparky is a sloth, a pet sloth, and sloths don't know how to fetch or roll over, but they sure know how to play dead. What's an eager pet owner to do? Well, this is really, really cute. Look at this. I think that this will be a book that I read in story time. So I'll put a link to the story time that I read this book in the notes below, and you can watch me read story time. But I think right now it'd be really fun to take all this wonderful stuff, put it off to the side, and get my little sloth going here and stuff him so I can show you just how incredibly cute the product is. One of the things I love about bookandbear.com is that there's always like a cool, fun surprise that you're not expecting. You think, oh, I'm just going to get this really cool little stuffed animal. And then it turns out that you also get like toys and games and all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, let's do this. I am going to open this up and just see what's inside here and show you. So I'm going to cut across here. Okay, that's to stuff, and we're gonna definitely, I'm going to need this to stuff the arms for sure. I'm definitely gonna need that. And look, best friends. Okay, oh, these are the adoption papers. Okay, so I would fill in my name and my age. Uh-oh, I have to put my age here. My home, my hobbies, my favorite foods, and then this is my new friend, Sloth here. Maybe I will name him Sparky. And these are the adventures that we take together. Okay, that's fabulous. That's the adoption papers, which are super cute. And I'm going to show you how I stuff Sparky. So one of the things that's cool about these animals is that they come with a little sleeve. And in this sleeve, it pulls out here, and this is where you stuff all the stuffing into, and then you pull this little zip tie shut. Okay, watch this. This is what's so fun. Poof. It pops right up. Look at that. Poof. And they're really good at Book and Bear about giving you the right amount of fluff to stuff. And then this is also super important. They put the instructions on how to do it in the back. So I'm going to take my heart, and I like to put my heart on the outside. And the reason I like to do my heart on the outside of the bag is that sometimes I like to open up my sloth and I like to take out the heart and put in another wish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a wish on my heart, give it a kiss, and then I'm going to put it inside. And now you can see that there is a little piece of Velcro on the back here of the sloth's back. And you're going to notice that there is a little piece of fabric on the other side, so that you've got Velcro on one side, and then you've got the fuzzy side of the Velcro, and then on this side there's a piece of fabric. Take that fabric off, and that fabric is to protect it and keep it from getting the hair in there, so that you can then use that Velcro closer to close it up nice and good, like that. And now, oh, look how cute he is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just want to give you a hug. And so here he is, my new friend. I think I can name him Sparky after the book. Sparky, want a hug? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, his arms are so huggable. Oh, he's so soft and he's so sweet. I'm so excited about this company. I love Book and Bear. I just love all the stuffed animals, and I love the whole kind of concept behind it, which is that you get to make a friend and then you get to read to your friend because he comes with a little book. And I'm excited about this math game. This math game is a new twist on things that Book and Bear sends out. And I have a feeling that what happens is, you know, whatever cool and new thing that's out there that matches the theme is what you're going to get from Book and Bear. So I hope that you will enjoy bookandbear.com as much as I do. I have an affiliated link down below, so check them out, and, you know, make sure that you let them know that you came from Sophie's, because we just love Book and Bear. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye. We're going to go read and play some math games.